Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to easily open up a 5th generation iPod. The tool for the job is in my iFixit toolkit, and it is the metal prying tool. I don't know exactly what it's called, but this is it. To open the iPod, you'll want to stick the tool in between the stainless steel back of the iPod and the front and pry around, and you should be able to feel when it pops open. Once you've popped open the one side, you want to do the same on the other side, and then the back should just come right off. Be careful of the wires from the battery and the headphone jack assembly because you don't want to rip those. Normally, your battery is attached to the back of the iPod, but mine isn't because I open it so often. You can just give the battery a quick tug and it'll come right out. If you pull the hard drive up towards you, you can get easy access to the board. And to put the battery back in, you can just push the cable into the connector and you're good to go. Before you clip anything back together, you'll want to test it and see if it still works. And look at that, it boots up and still works. Now we can turn it back off and shut it. Before you do shut it though, you want to make sure everything's lined up so you don't break any cables. Those ribbon cables are very fragile. Once you've checked, you can clip everything back together. And we're good as new. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope you enjoyed. I finally decided to just record the audio through my phone instead of this piece of junk and get much better results.